There are 3 ways cargo can be secured for transport. 1. Fully contained. In this case, the cargo must not be able to shift or tip, and it must be restrained from sideways movement either by other cargo or a vehicle structure. 2. Immobilized. The cargo can be immobilized by structures or a combination of structure, blocking, and bracing. Or 3. Secured on a vehicle. The cargo must be secured by tie-downs, which can be accompanied by blocking, bracing, friction mats, other cargo, dunnage, or a combination of these. This course focuses on loads secured on vehicles using tie-downs and other securement devices.